And Punjab Minister, who's claimed loopholes in the Ayushman scheme, he's gone on to say that they are launching their own scheme within the state because he claims that the Ayushman scheme is not working well. The Ayushman card is in the hand of the holder, yet the poor who are being blocked from actually gaining the benefit of it. One government after another that is now slowly jolting into action after India Today's expose, where they are saying that erring hospitals are now on notice. Our expose that has caused a massive shake-up in the healthcare industry as ministers are now responding, saying that erring hospitals will have to be accountable. Listen up.
Investigation has been done by India Today, and there we have found that doctors or hospitals are not even encouraging patients to come through Ayushman scheme. Is there an issue with that scheme? Are you aware of these problems?
Yeah. There were many issues. The center scheme is very limited in scope and numbers. Only it covers only 1/4 of the families, that is 16 crore families, and out of 65 crore families, 65 lakh families of Punjab, it covers only 16.5 lakh families. There are many exclusion criteria. They give very poor rates. Number two, they give only 1,000 rupees or something like that per patient.
For our reporters who've gone on ground, they have shown the card and they have also seen that the eligibility test was passed. However, the doctors were either saying pay in cash or saying come through the other scheme. I mean, why is that really happening?
You see, if there is a specific instance, we have a state anti-fraud units for that. We have a mechanism at the district level. There is a deputy medical commissioner who is looking after this. If there's any complaint, we will thoroughly examine it. If the hospital is empaneled with us, government hospitals are doing it in any case. Even central government hospitals are there. We are solving all their problems and we are launching new scheme which is universal Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana, which will cover all the 3 crore people of Punjab. So everybody will have card worth 10 lakh rupees in their pocket and it will be universal accepted and we are giving better rates.
क्या कोई दिक्कत है आयुष्मान स्कीम को? क्या कर रही है स्टेट?
देखो, एक तो जो प्रधानमंत्री वाली स्कीम है ना जी, जो PMJB उसको बोलते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना, उसको जो पंजाब ने है वो उसके साथ मुख्यमंत्री जो सर्वत सेहत बीमा, ये पुरानी थी जब कैप्टन सरकार के पहले उन्होंने उसको किया था, क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ पंजाब की 65 लाख फैमिलीज में से 16.5 लाख फैमिलीज कवर होती थी. उसमें SC/CC फैमिलीज कहते हैं, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंड कास्ट सर्विस, और उसमें बहुत सारे एक्सक्लूजन क्राइटेरिया है. उसमें बहुत कम लोग आते हैं, बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन वाले, और जो राशन कार्ड वाले भी सारे नहीं आते हैं. उसमें बहुत सारी ये दिक्कतें थी उस स्कीम में. तो अभी जो पंजाब लॉन्च कर रही है मुख्यमंत्री सेहत योजना, उसमें यूनिवर्सल है, उसमें ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. और दूसरी बात यह है कि पहले था कि 60-40 है, सेंटर वाले कहते तो 60% है, बट उन्होंने अपना वो कहते हैं जी हमने तो 105 करोड़ का बजट रखा हुआ है, अभी 300 करोड़ उन्होंने देने हैं हमारे लोग, उसकी वजह से दिक्कत आ रही थी. अभी जो स्कीम है पंजाब, वो बजटरी स्कीम है, उसमें बजट रखा गया है 1200 करोड़ का, और जो सेंटर वाली स्कीम है उसके साथ ब्लेंड किया गया है. जो सेंटर से पैसे आएंगे वो एक्स्ट्रा होंगे.
Let me take this to my colleague Kamaljeet now joining us on the broadcast. Kamaljeet, such gaps in the kind of statements that are coming in. The centre says we have the funds. The centre says that there are a lot of beneficiaries. They are getting the benefits. If there are a few hospitals here and there who are erring, we'll take action against them. Now, in a state that is not led by the NDA, clear statement coming in that enough funds are not being released. So it is not possible for the people to actually get the benefit because the healthcare industry, the hospitals, the insurance companies are at a loss. With the result, these are the kind of answers that go to the beneficiaries. The beneficiaries, on the other hand, who can't be called one because they're going with the card, they are entitled for the benefit, but they're actually not getting it.
See, there are practical problems on the ground. For instance, in neighboring Haryana, where doctors and hospitals went on strike, they basically said they will not be treating patients under Ayushman scheme simply because the government was not paying up. And obviously, it was paid 1 year in paltry sum, then thereafter again the strike was done. So we've seen what Punjab Health Minister Dr. Balbir Singh also pointed out, that the money coming in from the centre is much less than what they have actually promised the states for. Then thereafter what they're saying is that they have launched their own Mukhyamantri Sehat scheme, which is a force multiplier. So the insurance has been actually increased from 5 to 10 lakhs, saying this is a value addition to the Ayushman scheme. One is that they're looking at promoting their own particular scheme. The second part is the practicality of it all. Several of the hospitals would try and turn the patient away, though there would be a success rate of patients as well. But then there are several of those people who they think can be manipulated and then thereafter be brought in either through cash payment or through other scheme, so to ensure that their own hospital really profits from these. Now, Ayushman scheme has largely been to those people who have not been really able to afford the hospital treatment. Now, there are these government hospitals which treat poor people. Then there is the Ayushman scheme, which is obviously a nearby hospital, something which patients can avail of. So that is where these private hospitals, is there a nexus going on, is one of the investigation. Now remember, Dr. Balbir Singh himself is talking about an anti-fraud unit investigation to be launched soon. They're going to be looking into several of the hospitals who are impaneled. Now, on practical ground, when we spoke to one of the hospitals, they said, you know, we have a new receptionist. She may not be aware of these schemes, but that is just one word. The other is obviously about patients taking much longer. Somebody who requires emergency treatment, somebody who requires immediate treatment may have to work for 24 to 48 hours before the clearances can really come in. So these are practical issues, and also about how several patients are being turned away. Then thereafter, there is also, as one hospital said, that there are people who are coming in VVIP cars, who are coming in SUVs, also talking about taking Ayushman treatment because they do not want to spend. So they're saying they're being very cautious. There have been emails coming in from the central, from the health ministry, talking about them being cautious about fake Ayushman cards. So there are two sides of the coin right here. One is what the hospitals are saying. The ground reality is obviously about how patients are running into rough weather with hospitals who are impaneled as Ayushman Bharat scheme givers, but then thereafter have to really toil through. Remember, in India, it's difficult for poor patients in any case, but when the schemes do not work, where they're actually having authorized Ayushman scheme, this is where they want these schemes to function seamlessly. But then there's an uphill task right there, even having those particular authentic cards. But meanwhile, Punjab government on its own is admitting that there are certain fault lines
gaps that need to
correction
be fixed,
itself.
because at one end we see all these government ads that promise the Ayushman Bharat scheme, where beneficiaries are supposed to be able to avail this healthcare, but clearly they are not getting it. Then where is the problem, and why is the government not fixing it? Instead of just putting it on a few hospitals to say they are erring, we'll take action against them, that's not enough. This is a larger gap.